Order rejected. Order rejected. Order filled. Rejected. Order filled. Rejected. Order rejected. Order filled.
One day, Pablo. Let's fucking go, family. Yep. So NASDAQ with the FOMC came down, smashed into that opening week gap, found some buyers immediately out of it, and now it feels like we're absolutely heading back to ath. So if we get up through these 664s, I'm assuming longs, but I'm already assuming longs mostly, to be honest with you. Feels pretty NASDAQ-esque to hold this high and push. This is a big level, though. I'm not going to lie. These 660s, 670s are a big level, so we could find some sellers there, but mostly anticipating pushing through that. A lot of range today. Probably going to be sizing down into micros. 96s to the 600s. We got about 580 points or so. Probably going to be doing half micros. We'll see. GPT, good morning, King. Gold, let's go, baby. TLR, Max, D, good morning, Kings. Welcome in, family. I'm sick and I got the Jack next to me. That medicine. That's that medicine, sir. I ain't even going to be this early to my own wedding, JK. Ty, post my charts if you want to see what I'm looking at. I think we got some same idea. Let's go, D. I'll take a peek right now, King. End of the streams, equal bong rips. You enjoyed that one, bro? Good morning. Work. You enjoyed that one, King? But good morning, bro. Welcome in to the King. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Thursday. At post FOMC. Crazy. What are we getting? Hey, first of all, shout out this man Boss for grabbing a fat payout, baby. Come on now. Let's fucking go. Oh, this is just his day, actually, not payout, but still. Here's Dave's 4-hour levels he posted this morning. He's got a level at 620, which is a pretty big level that I was just looking at. 660s is mine there. And he has some to the downside. He had the 496s, 406s, and 174s. Boss has some levels here at the VWAP close at the 627s. You can see he's got some supplies and book maps. So he has his book map levels on his charts. I like that. This is on his trading view. Looks like longs to me. And then his pre-market analysis. Today's game plan is NQE as futures date 16, focusing on the same the setup today is seen in the image, keeping the bias flexible based on how price reacts to the level. I like that. So your big levels yesterday's high around the 437s, the 540s, 500s. Again, we did tap into that opening week gap yesterday, which was the easy sell, family. I just couldn't time it. Look at this choppy stuff in between. Look at that wick. That wick right there is what took my liquidity. Oh my god, that's a gross wick. Look at that fucking wick right there. Just play to my fucking target, you piece of and then we end up, he wants to see a rejection from here. It's targeting the previous week high or support here to target all-time high. I like that deal. I'm on the same page with you. And we'll see what we end up finding. End of the streamers, me too, Pablo. I'll show you like an hour later. I'll show up like an hour later. Dude was down 500 in AM now, break even from 5x on 100. Adam, I don't even stop. Just stop, bro. It's not even funny. You got lucky, bro. Stop. Boss goated in the Discord, turning up 30 people in that. Hey, it's lit. Work. Appreciate you for setting it up, King. Keeping the family tight. Santiago, Boss, and Dave. Good morning, Kings. Welcome in, family. NASDAQ's opening up here into the 619. The only big level that's really impressive is these 670s. We got to get through there. 660, 670 is where we got to get through. And if we do, I can imagine we get some continuation. If we don't, it could be interesting. So that's the level I'm looking at personally. But for the most part, expecting longs to try to get this continuation. Bro, what are you doing? It's not even funny. Dude, $500 is for your situation. Stop. Just stop, bro. Genuinely not even funny. I missed gold sells, was going to get in at 245, and when I go grab a drink, literally under 3 minutes, I took and might miss my trade. Missed gold sells at 245.
Order rejected.
Crazy. She did move too. 100 point sell off, 100 point range. Wow, yesterday FOMC gold really did some stuff. Santi, look at your initial short idea when you were talking about it in stream. We get that little reaction, go back up, and then look at the FOMCs. Holy shit. So right now, NASDAQ did sweep overnight highs, trading at the highest price that it did, took out yesterday's high, and now we're just going to be patient here to see where we kind of finding some stability, some support. It feels like we could be looking a little bit down, but I really like this V recovery for an attempt higher. That would have been my second trade and would have been 2 out of 2 this week. Hey, you take only good setups, King. So I love the patience. You got unlucky there, missing it with you getting getting some drink, but keep being patient. You know you do. You know what you do. You know what you do. So obviously, guys, we got the Fed decision yesterday. They left rates the same, and seeming like we could get a potential hike later in the year. Obviously, we don't know, but that's just interesting. And right now, the markets are flying. So V recovery, as it does, off of that opening week gap tap. Daily opening print price is at the lows as well, and straight up, we're up 2% on the day. Looking pretty bullish. I'm in a long from last night at 11, still long at 422. Wow, D, that's insane. You should be protected as long as we don't come down to VWAP right now. You should be pretty safe. It's a beautiful long. We'll see where we get to. Where do we go? $650s are genuinely such a big area that I want to see the reaction through that. I imagine we get a chance, but right now, market opened. Sellers get finding some respect at this EMA, and we're getting pushed off. So we'll see where we end up getting to, but it's looking interesting, family. We're going to be patient today. A lot of size, it looks like, in terms of like range. So I may not be trading micro or minis, maybe sizing down into micros. We'll see. Haven't decided fully yet. We'll wait to see what setup we occur. But in the meantime, family, there's already 24 of you beautiful souls spending morning being a part of this community. So first of all, thank you for being here. I love having y'all. We're an incredible community. We either learn together or we win together, baby. Come on. Let's get focused. And if y'all are here showing some love, hit the like button. Really does mean a lot. It goes a long way. We should have 20 plus likes. It's already 20 plus of y'all in here. I'm in a long. Boss, are you looking for a hold at the 550s along? I just read your write-up. I haven't read it yet. I'd be interested in reading it. Is boss in here? Your boss is in here. Oh, where did that just go to? I always have to download your analysis. I just currently bound. Wow, sellers getting this thing to move a little bit here. Here we go, family. This is the possibility, but I expect this to be bought up. So now I'm just trying to see if I want to see the buyers come in. I expect buyers. Should I get an eval and trade NQ with Utah? Yeah, you should get an eval. Come on, work. What? That's not even a question, is it? Boss, yo, let's go, King. My one MNQ gonna stop this. You gonna hold the line for us, Santi? You gonna hold the line for us, Santi? I know you are. 450 long. You don't like to see us try to
Order filled.
touch here. I can see why the 50s could hold. 450s is crazy bold though. Right above VWAP by 25 points or so. I might try a VWAP touch, to be honest. Oh, VWAP's 409 on my chart. Is my end
Order filled.
Wow, look at these sellers. I want to try this 427 price. Problem is this is pretty sharp right now. It's pretty sharp down here at the moment. Let's be patient, family. We're getting a lot of volatility, which is going to be good for setups, but we got to be patient here. I don't mind a VWAP long. Problem is it's just so quick. Damn, dude, we immediately came down to tag you out there. That's actually wild. Crazy selling pressure. Um, 17 times 3 is 30 is 5. I don't really want to get in with half size on this, but I might try it. What is 17 times 3? 30, 5 is 21, so 51. I expect chances for here to be somewhat decent at the longs, but I do think they'll also try to get a retest. NASDAQ coming down into the 400s right now. Sellers really stepping up there at those 620s. We'll be patient. TFF, which is the prop that have the codes high. You got Apex, you got Lucid, you got Tradeify. If you're just gonna go for a one account, sir, I'd probably run up Lucid, to be honest with you. Work probably your best play. Tradeify. They also have a quick account. I'd probably do Lucid if I was you. So you want to push back up to the 340.50 before longing. Good morning, y'all. I just passed my top step eval with that short from a 583. Let's go, Micah. Great fucking trade, King. Hey, the shorts look clean. I just couldn't do it. And they did look pretty good up there. And now I feel like we could be getting a little bit of a sell. Somewhere back in towards these 200s maybe. I don't know. We'll be patient right now. I'm going to be patient. I would have already liked to try a long down here, but I'm not seeing the reaction that tells me, you know, stab it. So I guess we'll be patient. I guess we'll be patient here and wait for a 15-minute range at least at this point. Coming down in these 400s. We could find some nice buyers at these 4s, so I would be interested in that. Like a 387 touch and try. EMA is curling down pretty sharply. We got a lot of pressure there. My man Santi said he's holding down with one MNQ. I'm going to do just for fun, never traded NQ. If we get a payout, I'll get it all to the Discord. I'm going to just follow your trades on NQ. No, sir. Keep that for yourself. It's going to be hard to follow my trades just because you should be taking some of these trades that I'm in, you should be holding for the 1500 and I have to get out for 1,000 or whatever happens. You know what I mean? It's not going to be exactly easy to follow because I'm going to be trading these fundeds, expecting them to play out differently. So Lucid Pro or Lucid Flex, I would go Flex, King. It's cheaper. Flex is the way to be, I think. NASDAQ is holding now at the VWAP, or trying to. I also wouldn't be surprised. We got a little retest into these 480s, 490s for sellers, but the buyers are trying to hold this spot. We'll see where we get to. Appreciate that, Matrix. Of course, Micah. That's badass. 30,450 long order flow. Boss, I actually love it, bro. I love how much you're preaching order flow. You're going to convince me to get in there soon. I can feel it. You're going to convince me to take a peek at it. Who knows when, but I will. NASDAQ getting a little bit of action at the VWAP. Still finding some sellers here, though. Still finding some sellers present. Into the point of control volume spot in the day. Lucid Flex for sure, D. 100%. I guess we got to be patient, family. We're getting a lot of selling. We got to be a little bit more patient, I guess. We're getting quite a bit of selling. Oh, so a little bit of selling here. I hate when my cart gets clogged. Oh, man. The worst. Nice little hammer there. Trying to find some support by the buyers. Do they get continuation up through these 50s? This is where long was, or work is looking, or boss man's looking long at these 450s. We will be patient and find out is all we can really do, you know what I mean? In the meantime, family, should show some love to the stream. There's already 30 of you beautiful souls in here, so we should have close to our 30 like stream goal. Yesterday, we ended up smashing the goal, which was awesome. We actually ended up almost hitting our 40 goal, which is crazy. That's so crazy, man. Oh, that's so crazy, man. NASDAQ trying to find some support up through the EMA. Currently finding a little bit of reactions. Again, we did find slight support at the VWAP, but nothing for straight continuation yet. We're getting closer to our 15-minute range, so I'm going to be patient. Buyers look like they are trying to get up there. If we would have had a better closure, wait for this hourly candle to closure. It'll be a lot of information. If it closes bearish, interesting. Might be retesting this imbalance toward the 200s. If we find good closure on this hourly, I'm expecting us to just be recovered at the highs, but we'll see what happens. Right now, still finding pretty decent reactions at this 50% toward yesterday's high. This is actually at yesterday's high, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, a little bit shallow. Okay. Yesterday's high was up at the 583s. Interesting. So yeah, we wait. We wait, family, until we get some clean information. I'm looking for 30,520 for a break and retest for a long entry using the 5 time frame. I like that. So a 520 break and retest. That could be clean. That could be clean, D. Another touch of the VWAP there. Boss, I know we're about to rip up because you're long here eventually. Yes, we're at yesterday high right now, Tyler. Fuck yeah. We will see the reaction. That's all we can really do. That's all we can do. I love that we got it at that weekly opening print gap filled yesterday. As where I was really looking to find a trade to get into. Obviously, this disgusting wick here is what took our money because we had a beautiful candle closure to the sell side, and I thought maybe we were gonna go, and then we just go wick all this liquidity and then close low. A gross wick. Well, that's my fault. Impatient there, looking for the play. You gotta think about market, you gotta time it too. You know what I mean? You get these levels correct, but it's all about timing as well. Opening print price is up here at the oh, we actually opened it up at the 593s, and we're down 150 so far. NASDAQ trying to retest this VWAP again. Part of me wants to try this long, but man, I feel like it requires some real bold effort. The buyer's been trying to get through here twice and they haven't been able to. Santi, hit a blinker. He can't. It's clogged, sir. All right, I'm gonna drop our 15-minute range, family. I'm gonna drop this 15-minute range. Maybe if we get a push through this with a nice and then buyers hold it, I might like longs. To be honest, I'm gonna keep extending this as we find more selling right now. Into the 400. I think the 400 could be a spot. Assuming we break through it with a 455 candle, I might try a long. He said, okay. You said, okay, I will. Order flow still telling you long right now, boss? Santi, do you see the same on the order flow, or what are y'all looking at? I want to see what happens at this candle here. Do we get a sweep through and then a reclaim? If so, I'm longing. This is going to be an indicative candle here. That was our 15th minute range being set. Now the market is officially free of the range. Where do we get to from here? I want to see one more sweep of this low before I join longs. I don't want to leave the bottom of the 15-minute range untapped. I'd rather get a little touch and then a reversal, and then we can trade our 15-minute range break and reclaim. That's what I'd go for. I don't need much convincing. Almost done. I don't need much convincing. No, sir. What brand you got, brother? Hey, Tyler. Dontro. Good morning, King. Welcome in, brother. 365 and 294 are my two zones for next long if we keep selling. 365. I like 65 a lot. I like 65 a lot, Santi, because what I want to see is I want to see the sellers sweep through this pressure, get a lot of volume to try to do it, buyers hold. But right now, we might be leaving the bottom of the 15-minute range untouched, getting a nice strong closure back into the VWAP. Do they get through these 460s this time, 470s? You know, we don't know. I actually don't mind this for a short attempt either, to be honest with you. I can't do it because it's not exactly in my setup. It's a little out of the way, but I do not mind a short right now at these 470s, 480s, where these wicks line up. You have a clean stop, and we have the bottom of the 15-minute range untapped that we could go find. $30 likes equals a bong hit, everybody. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna do that. Let's go, fam. Let's find a good trade here. EMA's curling at the 450s. Still front running VWAP slightly here. Again, I wouldn't mind a sell at these 80s, anticipating a break at the bottom of the 15-minute range and then finding a 360s touch. It's a little bit crazy. Could work. I might try it on 3 micros or so. 5 micros. I don't know. And we see the sellers responding, getting us pushing back below. Do they get through this VWAP? I just want to see a sweep of the bottom of the 15-minute range, and I'm going to like longs. Right now I'm smoking a Muak cart in 710 Labs. Oil Labs, classic. What should I eat today, Ty? Sushi or seafood or salmon? What type of salmon? If it's like a baked salmon, I would go salmon. But if not, sushi's pretty stellar. What type of seafood too? It all matters. What type of seafood? Those are all very good options. All healthy. I love them. Salmon. What do you have for your sides? I want to see the NASDAQ try to break through the bottom of this 15-minute range and find some support, and we're longing this thing back up to Valhalla. It's kind of what I'm liking right now. We have a really strong floor at the 290s, which is why that's your other level, Santi. I like that a lot too. Really strong level at the 290s. We have some opportunities today, family. All we got to do is be patient. I think we can get out of here pretty well. You know, we just got to do what we can do here. You name the same thing 3 different times, 3 different styles. A little bit. Technically the first 2 are the same thing, just 2 different spots I like. Sushi and seafood are similar. They got a little bit of differences, you know, little slight differences. It's like the NASDAQ and the MNQ, right? It's like slightly, it's like the same chart, but it just presents itself differently, you know what I mean? NASDAQ, what are we doing here right now? Holding above VWAP, being stale at these 450s. I want to see a sweep of the bottom of the 15-minute range and find a long at like these 360s, 370s. Could be really pretty. Could be clean. If we keep holding in this zone, I don't love it. I don't love it. I'm tempted to try a short of these 480s, to be honest with you. I'm gonna try a little tiny touch here. Quick stop on
Order
this.
filled.
Very quick stop on this position. Pretty much immediately, if we get a candle closure through it, I'm gonna be out. Just like that. Wait for this reaction. I want to see if the sellers are gonna defend these 80s and give us a chance back towards this VWAP. Depending on this candle closure, I might put break even on. Ooh, good wick down there. Don't flash that out. I got to break even now just to see.
Stop filled.
All right. Just wanted to touch. Now, this is what's frustrating. Why am I losing? How is that a red fill? Like, come on, NASDAQ. Don't do that. Don't do that. One MNQ holding the line strong.
Order filled.
30,375 for now. Long.
Order rejected.
This stop. I like that. One MNQ holding the line. Yeah, you're holding us down right now, son. You're holding us up. True. I ain't a C-boil type of person. Just Shawty wants it. Told her I'm gonna ask you, and she told me fuck, and now isn't that at me? Do what the queen wants, brother. I say that, and I just tag and break even. Wow. Yeah, that's tough, Santi. That flash was wild. Finding some support here. We'll see where we get to. We'll see where we go. Oh my god, I just took 2 NQ on each account instead of 2 MNQ. Made 500. Come on, baby. A little profitable mistake. Never hurt nobody, Dave. I love it. Nah, do what the queen wants. Work. There's already 40 beautiful people watching. Family, show some love. Let's find some love. Hit the like button. See if we can get to our 30 like stream goal while we, wait for a great setup from the NASDAQ. Feels like this hourly candle's about to invert. What about to push up long? I'm just a little skeptical because of how we left the bottom of the 15-minute. Jesus. Trapped on air over here. How we left the bottom of the 15-minute range untouched. I don't like that. I would have really preferred to see a sweep of this, and then I would be targeting the other side of the range. But finding selling immediately into the VWAP, holding the low at the bottom of the 15-minute range, and then pushing from there, it makes me think that this is a nice target, as well as having the 65s and the 290s below. We have some good spots below, so it's done. It's tough. I'm done for the day, King. Going to take my small win, locked in winning days. That's all we got to do, baby. We do not need home runs every day. We just need good trades. I love it. Let's get it, Matrix. Good consistency, baby. Nah, man, I'm tired of that. Yesterday made me get a weird-ass drink. I threw it up, and talking about it should have helped my sickness. All she wanted was her drink, not to help me. She just wanted that weird matcha. That little strange matcha. So what are you, what are we looking at right now? Nasdaq's trying to just V recovery out of the selling after the VWAP. Again, I don't love that we left the bottom of the 50-minute range unauctioned. It's not my favorite. So we got to be patient. We did get an EMA coming down. Not a perfect interaction with the VWAP, but we did still find some support by the buyers. MNQ did the same thing. MNQ was actually a little bit even cleaner. And now we wait. Family. That's all you can really do. These 20s are a big spot. I can imagine we find some selling at these 30s potentially for a chance to continue selling. Again, though, we're finding some support through 50% of the 15-minute range. And we could just continue to push from here. So we could just continue to push from here. You know what I mean? 496 is the 4-hour level we are at. Need to push strong above to head towards the 624 hour. 496 we're auctioning at. Waiting is too hard. I want money and I want it now. I need my money. It's my money and I need it now. Gimme. I need my money, please. Tapping into this EMA here. Could be a little launch pad. If we break through it, could be sell signal. If we break through this EMA and then retest in towards like these 520s, I'd be interested in a short back to VWAP. Nice candle closure, honestly. Nice candle reaction, at least. Wait for the closure. Wait for all the information. But that's a good attempt from the sellers to show some support here. It's a really nice candle, actually. Potentially going to get us back to break the bottom of the 15-minute range, maybe. Just maybe. This EMA feels like a decent attempt. And the sellers really did defend those 30s pretty nicely. Back into the 450s. Could trade up to the 620. I'm so happy that she is getting moved to a farther branch now. She will be like 45 minutes away, so more time to relax. To be honest, no. Me and my lady like to drink grass or sabotage going on over here. Like to drink grass, no sabotage going on over here. VWAP nearly getting found again. Buyers trying to get up through here. I think if we get an attempt at like these 490s, I'm going to try a short. Remember, folks, today is OPEX. Exactly. Repositioning. Great reminder, Dave. What up, Kane? James, welcome in, brother. Don't be a dumbass like me and actually take minis. Or do it and get profitable. Done for the day. Boss, good trading. You got your long. It played out. I'm proud of you, buddy. Appreciate you for sharing your levels and being a homie. Hope you got that move off the VWAP. I didn't take it, James. I just kind of, I don't know. I just couldn't trust it for some reason. Iranian delegation's trip has not been finalized yet. Not been finalized yet. I kind of want to take shorts here, family, at this previous swing high around these 480s, 490s. I want it to try us now, though. I don't like this auctioning. Otherwise, I have to wait. So then we're looking for a long if we break through the bottom of the range here is kind of what we're looking at. Goddamn. So let's say if she says, I want this and you want that, another thing. You want another thing. What will you do, Santi?
Stop filled.
If you can't both have what you want, balance is healthy. You know, one gets to choose one day, one gets to choose another day. Mostly, though, a happy wife, happy life. I don't know. Strong rejection off those 40s up there. Would have loved this candle to retest slightly higher, and I would have been taking a short. Instead, we're just getting straight pressure down in toward these 420s again. Do we see the bottom of the 50-minute range get swept through this time? Do we see the bottom of the range get swept through? If we do, I might be liking longs if we find some volume to push through and then buyers hold it. But right now, it also looks like we could be heading down towards these 290s, so let's just be patient. So from what I'm hearing, I'm a bitch then. I'm the only one that listens to my girl. No, you gotta listen to her, Queen, King. You gotta listen to her. That's what I'm saying. Free money if someone shorts to the 406. Free money if someone shorts to the 406. Free money! I'm gonna stop being a doggy for real. I'm gonna be a pimp now. No, sir. Hey, look. Happy wife, happy life, my man. Trust. Trust, 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 trust. Volume point of control being set down at the 400s. Buyers trying to find some more support here. Sellers getting it down below the VWAP. We're interesting right now. Found some support more than 50% of the range, but still had overall sellers defending the 500s here. 530s. And now we just wait. If we come back up into like these 450s, I'd be willing to give it a try. I'd be very surprised. I'll say this. Off of this auctioning, I would be so surprised if we don't break through the bottom of this 15-minute range. And so if we could find a nice short to do it with them, it'd be clean. But we'll see what happens. I'll call that at 430. You got at least 17 points if you got in at 429. Boom, 406. 406 is 30-point trade, Dave. Good shit. I feel like we're going to come down to the bottom of this 15-minute range. Kind of want to try the 50s, but I think that's going to be a bad price. I think we come back up into like these 80s possibly. 50s don't feel terrible, though. I'm not going to lie. These 50s don't feel bad for a chance, but I wouldn't mind higher to get a really good attempt with these sellers. See, here comes some buying now.
Order filled. Rejected.
I'm going to try one of these 490s. I might be too late. That might have been our chance there. Might be a little too late there in my entry. Feels as though, sir, you were a little bit late. Look at the hourly candle just finished closing. So now where this one goes, anything could happen. I'm going to try this again. Tight stop on this.
Order filled.
Tagged in. Want to see immediate
order rejected.
Price here. Support through here could get nasty, so we got to keep an eye on it tight. I don't love finding another support at the VWAP. That could be a lot of positions getting resupported. The only thing I don't hate about it is just the bottom of the 50-minute range not getting found there is crazy for me. This candle's everything. This candle's going to be everything on its position. You got to see an immediate reaction. OPEC just got a reminder there on my screen. Come on, sellers. Defend the 50% of this range. The fact that we never found bottom of the 15 is wild here. It's a weird day. It's already looking weird. I don't mind our chance to find some selling here, but if we find buyers, it's going to be nasty. And if I close out, I'm going to be that guy. Top ticking Daniel. Buyers are trying to get up through here. Sellers don't look terrible. Ugh, fucking A. That's not my favorite candle closure. Right back into our price this time. These 490s. That's a nasty wick. Buyers acting like they want higher here. It's a nasty wick, family. Because you guys see what I want to do, right? I want to put my stops above this swing, and I just feel like I'm going to be so unlucky if I do it. But the buyers feel like that's what they want. They want to go sweep through this liquidity, and I don't even know if I can afford that. Give us a break through this EMA and head back towards that VWAP, man. We're at 50% of the 15-minute range, but now we're starting to find some support through it. So at this price, it doesn't look good. Yeah, if the buyers get up through here, we're going to be in trouble, family. Another support at VWAP really isn't ideal. Leaving the bottom of the 15-minute range untouched like that is actually crazy. This feels terrible. This feels terrible. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. EMA is now curling through our price, giving us a new obstacle. Don't love that. Got to see that initial big black candle that came in originally, that big black no wick. Come in and smash this level down again. Get us right back towards that VWAP. But it feels as though the buyers are trying to hold this thing here at these fives. If the sellers can get through the fives, it looks good, but we're battling. Oh, that's a good candle closure for the longs. Yeah.
Order filled.
And I just can't fucking win lately. Because what the fuck are you talking about? Dude, these accounts, man, I'm gonna fucking lose my shit. It's so annoying. Just another day, just dog shit. Can't fucking do it, dude. Oh my god, man. What are you talking about? We leave the bottom of this 15-minute range unauctioned after holding at these fucking 400s 8 times. Why? That's not... I don't. You never see that. You never see that.
Order rejected.
Like, no, you don't, bro. I like that short. I take that short. I take that short again, honestly. That's painful. 32 people here and only 11 likes. Boo. She will normally look at me and say, what the fuck, you don't want nothing? I normally say, no, I do. I just hit here at this place and start driving there after. Get them likes up. She normally upset for a bit, but once her food demons go, she chilling. I'm the same way, Santi. I got some mad food demons. Mine was exactly like that. Laugh my ass off. That's why I had to adapt and stop saying I want something different. I don't know why, but to her, it's at the end of the word if we don't want the same shit. At the end of the world if we don't want the same shit. I got 8. And then we long off of it. Nice. Amazing. Santi, I love it. Long this shit. Full port. Let's fucking go. I'm long at 42s. Let's go, D. Yep. So fucking frustrating with these goddamn accounts, man. And I don't have any fucking accounts to buy. There's nothing I can do. Like, I'm just sitting here like a fucking retard. So annoying. So triggering. Because we leave the bottom of the 15-minute range open. We're just trading inside the zone right now. After leaving it once, twice, so cleanly at the 400s. It's crazy, bro. Now we're going to go sweep through the top. 620's incoming. Oh, I'm angry. What do I do about it? I can't do anything. I just have to feel it, and I don't want to. It's a new day. I don't want to feel like this again. So fucking annoying. Because what are you talking about? God. You never get the bank set up. I did not. Yesterday I did not, Santi. Okay, I'm looking to add in more if we get to a strong close above the 616 with a break and retest. I'm going to add in 10 MQ or maybe 5. God, I just want to break a motherfucker. Want to see my Tradeify live account? I won't mind. I'm trading another broker for the week. Whatever you make, I'll send it to you, crypto. Want to use my Tradeify live? I won't mind if I'm trading another broker for the week. No, it's okay, work. You're the man, king. Damn, Ty, what happened, brother? Just tapped in. Just wrong today. Expected this selling that was defending 50% of the range to continue defending. Wanted to see the bottom of the 50-minute range get traded. We got really close. Buyers came up to defend, so I took a short here, which I actually really do like the short. But buyers just stepped in, and that's what happened. So sucks ass, but yeah. Yep. It's just no bueno on G. Just up and today we broke the pattern, family. Why can't you buy accounts, Ty? My bank account is froze with TD Bank, and I can't access any of my money, and I don't have any digital money right now. I have all cash, so sitting here unable to do anything. Folks, does the market close at 8:30 or the holiday? I don't hear an official word yet. At 8:30 for the holiday. I think it's probably noon, Dave, around there. Blew my 25K eval, but got the first half again. Painful, but glad you half passed, baby. Let's go, GPT. Golfing over getting your business straight, shaking my head. No, you're right. That's exactly what happened. Because I shouldn't have to be dealing with stupid shit. You know what I mean? And if it's a nice day out, I'm going to go enjoy it because now I have to work for the next fucking however many days. And I'd rather not do stupid shit like this. Fuck. It's safe stop. It shouldn't get that low if it's still bullish. Hey, if you liked your idea, then there's nothing wrong. You did good, my brother. No, I do. I like the trade. I really do. It's just didn't play out, and that's fine. But it's just annoying because every fucking day we win, we lose, and then today we lose, we lose. So now my accounts are on death's door. One fucking day from a payout. You know, we were one tiny day and battled. Held them for like 2 weeks just to lose them. It's the same fucking frustration. Just saying, because you are trying to make up a red trade could preserve capital. The safe stop, it shouldn't go that low if it's still bullish. Just saying, because you're still trying to make up a red trade could preserve capital. Traders, a quick reminder that due to the Juneteenth holiday, the June quarterly index futures expiration process has been moved forward by a day. As a result, there will be a trading halt at 9:30 tomorrow for expiring June contracts. As for trading hours, regular market open for Friday session tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. The market will then close early. Regular market open for Friday session tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. Confused by what that means. On Friday at 12, it will open like a normal. On Sunday, guys, don't trade evals on the OPEX. It's my new rule. No evals on holidays or OPEX. Only funded with small size. No, because why did we just go fucking up to the 590s? This looks like it wants to break higher, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna be really fucking pissed off. I also lost 1,000 again after making 1,000 yesterday, just to not making any progress since last week. Gee, sorry, brother. Hate seeing it, King. I hate seeing it because I can relate to you fully, man. It's the worst fucking feeling. Like, just no progress. And the sellers just wanted to fucking wait forever to defend. Just forever. The candle that busted us was immediately inverted. Like, yeah, I bet, dude. Just the worst streak ever. And I can't do anything. Why? Why am I dealing with all this stupid shit? My bank account, my car. Fuck, man. Ass. Like, just let me trade, bro. Just let me trade. Let me be free. I want to be free. If we end up holding at this high at the 593s and go back down to VWAP, I'm going to be very, very, very pissed off. Because this is ugly price action. They should have defended if they're going to defend. If not, buyers should be holding this and we should be launching to the buy side here. Buyers should be holding these 500s and we should be launching to the buy side. To the top of the 15. If they break this down, I'm going to lose my shit. Just not making any progress. I know, man. Yo, King Noah, welcome in, brother. Welcome in. Hope you're doing great things. Fuck, dude. I just need these accounts to fucking... Tomorrow, if we bust them, it ain't even gonna hurt that much. It's gonna be like, alright, well, that was shitty, but we needed something to happen, so... We need something to happen here. There we go. Like I said, the buyers should be holding these 500s since we got stopped out there. They should be pushing along to the buy side now. And sure shit, they are. 620s coming in long. If you guys bought those 5s, congrats. All I needed to do today was just buy these 5s. And I'd be done right now. Of course I didn't. Of course I couldn't. Of course I couldn't take that setup and I take this setup, which I still like, but wow, it did not work. So frustrating. Just want to fucking hit somebody. Bong hit? No, not today, Santi. Yo, make a PayPal, man. I can send you 500 for a couple of evals and you don't got to worry about sending it back. Of course I would send it back, brother. But no, it's alright. Well, the thing is, even with a PayPal, you have to set up to your bank account. Like, you can't even just receive it. Like, you can't even receive funds. Like, right now, I have a PayPal tied to my account. Can't even do shit. Can't even do shit. I'm gonna have to get it all figured out. Tomorrow, I have to work today. So annoying, NASDAQ. Like, yeah, we're just gonna hold the bottom of the 1500 range perfectly. Like this is just not common. That's why I really don't mind the setup that we took, but just whatever. It is what it is. It's not meant to be. These accounts, their destiny was written a long time ago, it feels like. If not, we would have already gotten the fucking payout. Been so close multiple times and just can't make it happen. Because we're going to literally defend. We're going to have sellers come in strong, set a bottom in the 50-minute range. The candle on the 15th goes up. We come back up into this random price at the 530s, sell all the way back into VWAP. I really do not mind this short. I would have taken it. I'd take it again. Like, I'd take it again, and sometimes it would play. But today it doesn't. On a day where I should, because, you know, I lose, I win, I lose, I win, I win, I lose, whatever. So today I was supposed to win. So why didn't I win? Why didn't I win? I was supposed to win. W work for sure. He's the man. King, I just got here. Who you hitting? NASDAQ. Welcome in, though, newbie. Apple Pay. I'm not going to have you do that, brother. You're the man. Truly, you're the man for even offering it, but it's all good, King. It's all good. Probably, I shouldn't even. This is the break that I needed, you know? Well, even though it's not, because I'm just so mentally turmoiled by these accounts, but. Like, are you fucking kidding me? And I just gotta sit here and look at the stupid chart and just feel it. My album's up on Spotify now, Ty. It'll be up on an all streaming plat soon. There was a technical difficulty in the first drop. Hell yeah. I don't have Spotify. I have Apple Music. But we'll give it a listen as soon as it's up. Proud of you, though, Noah. It's badass. Zell, if you were to long this, where would you realistically target, Ty? Well, I'd be longing. I mean, the 660s. 660s to me are a pretty big level. 650, 660. We could easily find support through there, and then honestly just back to previous day high. But we'll see what happens. It's kind of what I'm liking. 620 quit playing. Just like the bottom of the 50-minute range was playing. Now I would be if we find it. I thought you were a peaceful Yoda. Not lately, newbie. NASDAQ's taken all my kindness out of me. I have no peace left in me. I have chosen anger. I've chosen violence. I've gone to the dark side. Try to full port my fists into people, into the NASDAQ. On G, then 620, then 850s. Yeah, I like 620. I like 650s. Full port Friday. That's what it's looking like, bro. No matter what, even if I didn't want it to be. You know what I'm saying? I only got 200. I got 20 points, so we're gonna be full porting Friday, no matter what happens. Fuck yes, let's go. I'm long. 42 up 100 plus points. Let's go, D. Great entry. Great entry. There's no more peace in me, newbie. I'm angry. Brahm, I like that. Yeah, we do like a full port. Bet Santi tie you in. I'm in. That's all I have. That's all I can do. I'm full porting these goddamn accounts. And it doesn't even matter because I can only make 1,000 in a single day. It fucks me. I'll let you know when it's up. Thank you, brother. Of course, Noah. What the fuck is OPEX? I thought you were misspelling Apex. Dude, that's awesome. No, it's it's when all futures contracts, options contracts, everything gets expired and they have to get repositioned. So a lot of big liquidities are getting new orders, new positions, and things get pretty volatile, pretty random. And that's what's happening. PA will not be reliable today. I've seen it firsthand right here. 560 longs if you're not in yet. Let's go. 10-point stop with full size. If you're wrong, take the stop. 560 is 2 minute 9 EMA. It will keep you changing, so watch 9 EMA if you want. Ready for long range for longs. Oh, fuck with my trunk open. We surely go find the top of the 15 here. And if we don't, I'm never trading OPEX again. If we do not go find the top of the 15-minute range right now, I will never be trading OPEX again because the price is broken. Y'all want 260 long? Why not shorts? 33 points from the 9 EMA. Nobody better complain. Dave's giving us the cheat. Dave's giving us the cheddar right now. You guys better be capitalizing on it. I got schmurdered, so y'all want 660 long. Why not shorts? I'm confused. 660 long. Why not shorts? I want the target. I think they targeted in 660. I like us to push all the way up. If we get a rejection, bottom of the range. We were never meant to win today, I guess. You know? Feels good, feels bad. I'm over it. I'm over these accounts. It is what it is. My fault, King. I'm faded, not fully here. No, it's all good, Santi. 615 is my 5-minute high for the strat I traded. I'm going to wait for a break and retest for longs. Yeah, if you look at the hourly chart now, it's very bullish, my friends. Very bullish. Look at that hourly candle. This thing is going to go back up to all time. If we get a good candle closure above this range, of course. Which, we did just get a candle closure. Now you just don't want to see an immediate rejection, and you should be good. Now I just can't even trade. Like, really, bro? Fucking NASDAQ. I just can't even trade. You know what I mean? Like, what the fuck? NASDAQ selling back in the top of the 15. Honestly, family, I might just get out of here early today. I'm going to be completely honest with y'all. I don't have the mental. I just don't have it right now to sit here for another 40 minutes and watch this fucking thing. The battle I have gone through with these accounts is just, my mental capital is just burned. I like A50, but we might chop here at the 620s or dump. I would trail your stop and profit. Santi, hit a blinker. Jack got me feeling the same, but I can only drink up to a cup of it because I can't get fully drunk. Work, you're a crazy man, bro. Peace, King. I'm getting in my heart. Hard hat just stopped by to add.
Order filled.
You're such a queen, dude. I appreciate it so much. Go do your renos. Go be a boss lady. And we'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. Take it easy, queen. Bong hit. Saucy, you here, man, or at work? Saucy's at work. We understand, King. Play some Rocket League. Tell that man Saucy to hop on. I would trail more tightly, but at least trail to the 570s. If we
Order
get a rejection
rejected.
below this range, we could go back to the other side just because of the day we have. But yeah, you're the man, GPT. I think that's what we're gonna do, family. Oh my god, I'm so frustrated with it. Boo. Boo, NASDAQ. I personally would take a 611 short right now.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Crack pipe.
Order filled.
Yo, penis. I'm gonna do it while light right now, if you like, know what I mean. I'm gonna do a white liner now, if you know what I mean. That Christmas. It's that Christmas. Them snowflakes, my man. NASDAQ pushing back off that, breaking through the top of the 15-minute range. Gave us a nice rejection. I still wouldn't mind shorting that. Hey, yo. Why not run up some Apex evals on Monday? Might be the plan, Dave, if I can get my money figured out. If I can get my money figured out one day, that might be the play, King. Not sure. You know what I mean? But, guys, today, wild price action. Protect yourselves. Who knows where we go? Anything could happen. Nasdaq's doing some weird dickery shit right now. It's honestly pretty frustrating to watch. Like, yeah, we're just going to go sweep through the top of the range and then immediately reject. Let's go watch this take the other side of the 15. Because surely we break through these 500s, right? And then VWAP. Oil experts. Surely this thing breaks all the way back down. Because why wouldn't it? Stupid ass OPEX. Just kidding. I'd actually be surprised. Even though this is a really nice rejection, I would be surprised. Gas data coming out. I'm going to pull up the stream. How many likes do we have right now, family? If y'all are watching, y'all are hanging out, and you haven't hit the like button yet, tap that thing really quickly. It does mean a lot. Again, we've been battling with these fucking accounts, so I need some love. And we'll see. We'll see. We're at a 20 like stream goal, and there's 24 of you beautiful souls here. So let's get 3-4 more likes, and then we're going to go ahead and get out of here. We got dump. Yeah, if we get through the 500s, I see VWAP, and then honestly anything can happen. But I wouldn't be surprised to see some 500s hold here. But if we don't hold, yeah, we're just going to drip away. Even on a normal day, we weren't just going to go straight to 57. And with OPEX chop was the best chance, as I said. Worst case was dump. And here goes a dump. No bong, no like. Santi. You dirty man, you. Fuibo, what's up, king? Hope you're crushing way better than I did today. Hope you're crushing far better than I did today, sir. Deontay Green is green. And there it goes. Just absolutely frustrating. God, NASDAQ. Like, I am shocked that we found the top of the range before the bottom of the range when we were auctioning the way that we were. Like, again, I take this trade. I take this trade every day. I would take this again and again and again. Today it didn't play out, and that just makes me so upset. 492, 4 hour area. If it doesn't hold back to 406. It feels like they're going to get a VWAP tap, and then maybe the bottom of the 15-minute range tap this time. Feels possible. Santi, do what we did yesterday. No trades for me today. I love it, Fuibo. Good discipline. 25th like, Unstoppable. You're the man. It means a lot, family. Thanks for showing love. Same to you, Manny. Y'all are my family. The support is unreal, and I really do appreciate you guys. I don't think I'm going to hang out for the last 30 minutes. It's OPEX. Tomorrow's Juneteenth, so we're going to have a half day. I'm going to see if Pat wants to hop on regardless, even though it is a half day. We'll see what we do. But, family, protect yourselves. Trade smart. And, fuck. It looks like tomorrow could be the end of these accounts, so we'll see what happens. You know what I mean? Manuel, the 27th, you're a king, bro. It means a lot. Thank you, family. 2 away from our light goal. 2 more for that bong hit. If we hit 30 in the next 2 seconds, I will. But if not, I love you guys. I'll see you in the morning. Happy Thursday. Let's end the week strong tomorrow. Regardless of what happens to these accounts, they're probably finito, but it's okay. We battled well. We made a payout out of them, and we're going to do it again. So at this point, I'm pretty separated from it. It's shitty, but we'll do what happens. Dave, real quick, what's up, brother? Did you apply for the credit card yet? Y'all are good. Y'all are good. I haven't. Which credit card? There's so many options, and I don't know. Let me know on Discord which one you recommend, brother. There's so many options. You said Chase? Were you the one that said Chase? Go for a Quicksilver Capital One, something at least. 1.5% cash back on everything. Yeah, I do need that cash back. Chase or Navy Fed? What's your credit score? 680 because I bought a car and it fucked me. Because the guy ran my credit like 6 different times. I have literally 6 hard inquiries from buying and I didn't even, okay, so I applied for a car to see what it would look like for my interest, for my loan, for my payment. The guy ran my thing 6 different times. What are you doing, bud? And I didn't even end up buying that car. Like, what are you doing, bud? Murdered my account, my credit score. I'm like a 730 to an 680 in a day, and I didn't even buy that fucking car. Bong hit 30s. Y'all crazy. I got mines ready, yo. 30 likes, y'all the family. Depends on your credit score and how long since you applied for credit.